What's up, everyone? You're looking at a 2024 Barletta Lusso 25 UC. So it has that co-captain's chair and the ultra lounger in the back. As you can see, the elevated stitching and vinyl package that's available on the Lusso. Our standard bow anchor gate, along with that nice chrome accent lift gate piece on the front with our doggy dock view. Lots of storage in this boat under each of those seats. Armrests. Have a nice storage compartment for valuables right here at the helm. Larger ski locker as well, and our fold-out table that's well known on the Barletta brand. And our ultra lounger that easily flips into multiple positions. We can sit like this. We can fold this guy up. Place the paddle in there. Can fold this seat up as well too. Very easy to configure this layout any way that you see fit. This will also lay completely flat. So we've got a really nice pad here to enjoy all the water views, the sun. At the helm, we have push button controls, a nicer finish on the steering wheel. This beautiful cafe and linen color really is classy and nice. Still get our digital gauges. You can control what you see here, anywhere from fuel to voltage to water depth, temperature, engine hours. Very nice, but then you still get the standard analog look as well too. Have our Simrad and Audison control with our RGB lighting dial. You can check out this boat on our website or stop in person at our Crosslake location and see it for yourself.